Now you can directly create TikTok advertisement account in BigSeller. Let's see how it works. First, you need to go Authorization Center, Store Authorization, and select TikTok Shop. Click Create Account. In this page, you need to enter your email and get verification code. Next, here you need to log in or sign up your TikTok account. Then you need to set access permissions for business and continue. After that, you need to set up TikTok business account, Business Center, TikTok account, and billing information. Having finished, you will be re-guided to BigSeller to connect your ads.